Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Little Giant APCP-1700, the best Doheny pool pump you can get. Whether you're dealing with a pool cover full of water after a storm or just need an efficient way to remove water from your pool or boat cover, this pump is built to do it all with incredible ease. The Little Giant APCP-1700 is an automatic, submersible pump that operates on a 115-volt power source. With a 1/3 of a horsepower motor, it has an impressive capacity of 1745 gallons per hour at a 1-foot lift, making it perfect for medium-sized pools or other water removal tasks. It comes with a 25-foot power cord, giving you enough reach to set it up exactly where you need it. The 1-inch FNPT discharge ensures that water flows out seamlessly, and a 3/4-inch garden hose adapter is included, which fits standard garden hoses. One of the standout features of this pump is its automatic activation system. It activates when water reaches 2 inches in depth and automatically shuts off once the water level drops to just 1 inch. This means you don't have to worry about monitoring the pump constantly. It takes care of itself, saving you time and effort. Plus, it's designed to be easy to maintain, with quick access to the pump's float and airlock for cleaning. No tools or screws required. When it comes to design, the Little Giant APCP-1700 is not just practical, but also compact and ergonomically built. It has a built-in handle, making it easy to move around and position it where you need it. The weighted design ensures stability, even when the water flow is at its peak. Setting it up is straightforward too. With the included garden hose adapter and a simple discharge system, you can connect it and get started right away. Whether you're dealing with water buildup on your pool cover, boat cover, or even rooftop, this pump is versatile enough for all those jobs. In terms of specifications, it runs at 2.2 amps and 270 watts, ensuring that it's energy efficient while still providing strong performance. If you're concerned about durability, the pump is built with high-quality polypropylene material that's designed to withstand the test of time. If you're in need of a reliable and efficient way to remove water from your pool cover or other surfaces, the Little Giant APCP-1700 is an excellent choice. It provides powerful performance, is easy to maintain, and offers peace of mind with its automatic shutoff system. If you want to make sure your pool stays clean and dry, this is a great investment. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and stay tuned for more in-depth product analyses.